Hey guys, I've been in LA for about a month with my husband Sebastian, and I thought I'd do a little vlog updating you guys on our house and our apartment and our setup. I have been really trying to do videos, but I really desperately need to set up my filming room before I can do that. So is my top on backwards? I thought it felt weird. Anyway, trying to get rid of this pimple here. So we are just in our house clothes today, nothing fancy. I'll show you my bedroom, my bathroom, and my filming room today, also our living room. It was really tough setting up the house. Like, we wanted to get the furniture that we really wanted, and then things have shipping delays and stuff like that, so it hasn't been quick. We had so many issues with the company that we chose to ship my makeup. It was like 3 weeks late basically. They also charged us double than what they quoted after we had them even come to our house and quote us, so screw them. We got it in the end though. At least nothing is broken so far, so that's good. Anyway, we are currently in our bedroom and this is it. It's a nice, like, quite roomy bedroom. Let me open this up. Wait, I don't like these blinds. They let a lot of light in. I like my bedroom to be really dark. Like, when I am sleeping, I like the room to be really dark. Anyway, so we bought a bed. That's really important. The bedroom is pretty much, you know, set up. We're just gonna get a few other things. The rug came, so I thought I probably can't do that on my own, can I? I think we'll wait for Sebastian before we load that up. What do you think? But yeah, I love our bed. I love the matching dresser. The chair is super cute. I don't know what else we have to put in here to make it homely, but yeah, it's coming along pretty well. Not long till the bedroom's finished. So my walk-in wardrobe is here. Don't have all my clothes here. I'm still like living out of a suitcase, which is annoying. This is the bathroom. Sebastian just finished setting this up for me today. This is from IKEA because in my bathroom, this is all the storage we have, and obviously I have a lot of stuff. All these boxes are just makeup and skincare. So I needed a place to put my skincare, and I thought that's what we would do today. I also have to film a video today, so that means I need to do my makeup room. See, this is all product. Just bathroom product. Just skincare. Body care. Yeah, kitchen is nice. I love our kitchen, it's so big. Actually, I'm gonna have a cough. Yeah, I'm gonna have this before I start. Next to the kitchen we have this weird little room which will be our dining room. We're not going to bother getting a dining table for quite a few months because we have so much other space to fill up. Like, that's our living room with our couch, our television. Oh, you can't see it. The TVs are so thin these days, I swear. Any thinner? Our couch is so nice. We had it custom made at a place called Furniture Town Plus. It's really nice. You can't see this because I push it against the couch, but it's just a little cabinet that's gonna go as the backdrop in my makeup room. More makeup boxes here and more makeup boxes here too. I've kind of been unpacking them like just the last few days every now and then when I can, because I do need to be able to find stuff if I'm going to be filming. Luckily we have these wardrobes in this room because it is just a second bedroom. And I've just been putting stuff in here until my Alex drawers arrived, because yes, I shipped them over. I didn't want to waste all my stuff. That's why I didn't want to start fresh. I bought that chair for the background too. It might not go very well, but if not, it'll look great in the living room. I'm gonna put that cabinet that was behind the couch right there later. We'll get to unpacking all of this stuff soon, but I figured might do the bathroom first. Those boxes have been sitting there for over a week now, so I just want to get rid of those. So that's what it looks like. Probably need to get some kind of organizers even for this, like ones that slot in there. But for now I'll have to leave it like this. My Tom Ford survived. Nice. Okay guys, I've been here for honestly a lot longer than I thought. It's been like 2 hours, 3 hours maybe, and yeah, I've finished what I could. Do you want to see? I need to go and get organizers from the container store so that all of these aren't just loose, because it's not really possible, or it's not really easy to go in there and grab things. Like I kind of need it in containers so I can pull pieces out. And there's also this side. So yeah, I've got masks here, some more skincare there, and then my everyday kind of skincare is in toners, moisturizers, eye serums and stuff. Then up here are, you know, more specialty things like my facial serum with tanner, my sun cream and stuff. These are body care products, some more kind of random stuff like they're my eye serums, deodorant, perfume. These are my skincare tools. Then down here is my body oils, body moisturizers and stuff. Down there we've got my fake tan. And here, face halo stuff, fake tan apply, like face cloths, body scrubs, things like that. And then here we've got all my masks. And then these are sheet masks. This is travel skincare, sorry. Down there is unopened stuff. Also, yes, Sebastian did make this wrong, but we're not going to talk about that, are we? And then up there are just like bags and stuff like that. There's my sun care. So yeah, that's all done. And then I've got to put the hair products down there. I've already started, but see how much space is like wasted under there? So I need to get shelves in there so that I'm maximizing the space. And then in here, I don't know what kind of stuff I'll put in here at the moment. It's just my contacts, some tools. I guess I'll just put everyday things that I put in there. And then again, now this is like pretty free, so I can put some stuff in there. But yeah, everything is coming along good. Hopefully I'll be able to get rid of all this stuff and put it in my makeup room. Now that Seb is here, I feel like we should put the rug down. How about I just film you while you put it on? Okay, there it is. It looks really good. I like it, don't you, Seba?
Yeah, it's really nice.
For some reason, I still feel like this room is so bare.
It is bare.
Well, why? Like, what else do we need in here? We need art.
Yeah, a mirror maybe?
Yeah, a mirror.
Right there.
On the roof.
Oh.
But can we? Maybe a basket, a mirror. That would be good. Because I so want to see myself when I wake up in the mornings looking like a dead rat.
Another dresser.
Like a tall one maybe?
Yeah.
Like a chest of drawers?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, so that bit of organizing is done. These boxes are all empty, which is great. So are these. So I got through quite a lot, but I did not get to film because it took me so long. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to wake up early and get to it. Oh, because I also edited a video and uploaded it on my channel. So I was working. Still got all these boxes to go. There is so much to do. But things are coming along. I just need to take my time because it is so time consuming. Anyway, I think now I'm gonna have a hot bath and then do my skincare routine and go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs on my setting up my space, because you guys really like it on my stories. So I thought that I'd bring it to you on the tube. So, the tube. People get mad at me if I say tube because that's how Americans say it.
Yeah, say it the way Australians
Tube.
say it, yeah.
But
what?
I can't help it.
Well, you're gonna have to help it.
But I live in America now.
But you're Australian. Right, am I right? She's Australian. She has to stick to an Australian accent.
Seba gets so mad if I put an American accent in.
It's not right.
What do you mean it's not right?
Don't.
He doesn't like it.
No.
When I talk with an American accent.
No.
Well, guess what? I don't like your accent.
Would you like me to speak like this?
I would like it if you had that. Oh, we are doing more vlogs over on our joint channel, by the way. Seba has been really good with filming and uploading those. So there's going to be more general house updates on that channel. But this one I'm going to always try to do like a makeup spin on it, because y'all are makeup kinky freaks like me. And we'll leave it at that on his channel. Okay? Longest outro ever. But bye.